Hey guys, I'm in the prestigious King City and right behind me is my latest listing at 6 Wells Orchard. You ask any realtor, they're gonna tell you location, 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 and this is exactly it. It's in close proximity to plazas, shopping, parks, schools, Highway 400, golf, GO station, you name it. I'm gonna take you on a quick tour. All right, let's start on the exterior. We've got no sidewalk. We have beautiful exterior right here. Brick and stone finishes. Really nice entrance. We have our wrought iron window in the door right here. Got a double closet for your jackets. Look how wide the entrance is, guys. Here's a room for your dining. Beautiful. We've got zebra blinds all over the house. And then check this out. We've got spiral staircase. And you walk in right here, you've got your powder room. And then this is open concept, beautiful area. Just feels really, really nice. Upgraded kitchen right here, stainless steel appliances, backsplash. We've got hot lights, granite counters. Here is your breakfast area. And then here is your family room. Look how warm it is. You've got your fireplace. And are you ready for this? Look how private the backyard is. Just a beautiful oasis for your gatherings, family and friends. This home is 3 bedroom, 4 bathrooms. We have the 4th bedroom in the basement. It is almost 2,000 square feet without the finished basement. Here's your garage, which, by the way, we have second entrance to the backyard from the garage. Let's go check out the upstairs. All right, are you ready? We've got second floor laundry right here. We've got study nook. Let's go check out the master bedroom. Just absolutely gorgeous. Walk-in closet, custom closet organizers. We've got really large windows here, so it's really nice and bright. And by the way, this is a king bed right here, so just kind of gives you a perspective on the size of this room. Right here, you've got the ensuite. You've got double vanity right here. You've got full glass shower and the tub. Let's go check out the second bedroom. All right, check this. It's got extended high ceilings, its own walk-in closet with a window. Again, custom closet organizers right here, just absolutely beautiful. And it's got a semi-ensuite, Jack and Jill with double vanity. So you've got your tub here, right here, double vanity. That takes us straight to the 3rd bedroom. Just again, just very roomy, very spacious, nice and bright. Let's go check out the basement. Just a ton of upgrades, guys, like Nest thermostat, HRV system right here. All right, so we come. This is the additional bedroom in the basement. And then you've got a bathroom right here. Again, full glass shower, beautiful vanity. This room right here is your furnace room. And like I mentioned, it's got an HRV system and it's got a water softener. And this is absolutely beautifully finished basement. You've got a kitchenette right here. You've got an open concept place for your office. You've got projector right here, which is, by the way, included as part of the home. So just an amazing, amazing, amazing entertainment area. So there it is, guys. 6 Wells Orchard in King City. If you're interested, give me a call, 647-608-0680. And I really hope you enjoyed this private tour with me here today. And I'm having an open house this weekend, by the way. You're welcome to join me 2 to 4 on Saturday and Sunday. Once again, Fady Dowd here, 647-608-0680. Thanks for joining me.